Hi everyone, it's Carla here, your landscaping accountant. And I get a lot of questions from my clients on whether they should lease equipment or buy new equipment and what are the pros and cons and what are my general recommendations over it. And so I'm going to go over some pros and cons today. So starting off with leasing, some pros are leasing is 100% tax deductible. So whatever you're paying monthly or bi-weekly, we can deduct that for tax purposes. It's great for equipment that needs to be updated frequently. You're not stuck with your old equipment. In leasing, you can always update your equipment. It's better for cash flow purposes because you are not dumping one huge down payment at once. Rather, it is predictable payments, and it's better for cash flow for your business. Leasing is more flexible because if you don't have the full amount for down payment as you would need when buying, or if you don't have the credit, with leasing, you probably can afford better quality equipment. And then also with leasing is that you don't usually need to pay for maintenance or anything that needs to be repaired for the equipment. Rather, the leasing company will pay for those. Cons. So for leasing, it's overall higher. So over its leasing terms, the cost is higher than buying. You don't have that as an asset on your books if you're leasing the equipment, and you don't get to claim depreciation expense at the end of the year for your leased equipment. So I'm going to go over buying now. Some of the pros are that you can claim the equipment as an asset on your books. You can depreciate that over its lifetime, so you can claim bonus depreciation in the first year and just 100% get the depreciation expense or over its lifetime, depending on your needs. You do have that option to sell once you're done with the equipment, so you have some residual value there. And you have complete control over the asset as opposed to leasing. So if you wanted to make any adjustments, repairs, or add anything to the asset, you have that ability. Buying cons. So it's higher upfront costs. So you'll have one large lump sum come out of your pocket. Depending if you're going to put 20% down, 100% down on buying that out. If you're buying a type of equipment that gets outdated easily or worn easily, then you're now stuck with that and you can't update it as easily as you can with leasing. Also, you are responsible for any damages, maintenance costs, or repairs on that asset. So those costs will come out of your pocket. So choosing the right way to go really depends on the type of equipment that you need, cash flow in your business, and how easily that equipment can be outdated. So I would say, starting off, if you're a brand new company and you're just starting off, go ahead and buy something that's going to last you a long time. That way you're not always investing in a new equipment. Another thing to consider is that if the equipment that you're going to be buying always is getting worn easily, if it's lower quality equipment, I would say go with leasing because you know that you would need to upgrade or buy something new in the near future. And remember to always consider the residual value of the equipment. So can you resell this at the end of its lifetime? So once you're done with it, can you resell it? If you can and you're going to get some money back, then consider buying the equipment as opposed to leasing. Also consider the time value of money. A dollar is worth more today than it is tomorrow. So if you're going to be outputting a lot of money today from your pocket to buy something, make sure that it's something that you're going to use for more than a couple of years. For example, a truck or a trailer, something durable that you're going to use over numerous amounts of years. I hope that this video was valuable to you. If you have any questions or comments about interest rates, APRs, whether you should lease or buy equipment, go ahead and email me at carlap@cyclecpa.com or send me a direct message through the landscape and accounting page. Thank you so much and have a nice day.